Welcome to DECOLOVA, where every home detail tells a story of beauty, comfort, and timeless charm. In today's feature, we are stepping into a French country porch refresh that feels soft, graceful, and full of vintage romance. This is not just a porch makeover, but a gentle transformation that brings together floral elegance, rustic character, and the relaxed spirit of countryside living. As we begin this journey, imagine a space where every chair, wreath, and planter seems to whisper a quiet invitation to slow down and enjoy the beauty of home. The French country style is beloved for its balance of refinement and warmth, and this porch embraces that spirit beautifully. Instead of relying on anything too polished or modern, the design leans into natural textures, weathered finishes, and delicate decorative touches that feel collected over time. The result is a space that feels lived in yet graceful, like a charming home tucked away in the European countryside. Soft colors, vintage details, and floral accents work together to create a mood that feels tender, welcoming, and deeply romantic from the very first glance. A strong porch refresh begins with color, and here the palette is soft, soothing, and full of vintage appeal. Think creamy whites, muted sage greens, dusty blush tones, and gentle beige accents that echo the warmth of old-world French homes. These shades create a calm visual rhythm and allow each decorative element to feel connected without overwhelming the space. By choosing colors that feel natural and slightly aged, the porch gains a sense of authenticity. It becomes a setting that feels elegant without trying too hard, which is exactly the heart of French country charm. Floral Decor is the soul of this porch refresh, and it brings a soft, poetic energy to the entire scene. Instead of using only one type of flower, the arrangement feels layered and thoughtfully gathered, as if it were picked from a countryside garden in the early morning light. Roses, hydrangeas, lavender, and trailing greenery can all work beautifully in this kind of setting. Whether placed in ceramic pots, rustic baskets, or aged metal containers, the flowers add movement and life. Their presence makes the porch feel tender, feminine, and effortlessly timeless. What makes a French country porch truly memorable is the way vintage pieces add depth and personality. A worn wooden stool, an antique watering can, a distressed lantern, or an old-style bench can instantly give the space a soulful, collected feel. These details do more than decorate the porch, they give it history. Even a few carefully chosen vintage-inspired accessories can create the impression of a home that has been lovingly shaped over many seasons. In a design like this, imperfections become part of the beauty, and every aged surface tells a quiet, charming story. This porch refresh also invites a creative spirit, especially through simple DIY details that make the space feel personal. A handmade floral wreath, a painted planter, a repurposed crate display, or a ribbon-tied basket can bring a unique charm that cannot be bought in a store. These small projects help the porch feel more intimate and meaningful, as if each object was chosen with care and crafted with affection. DIY elements are especially powerful in French country design because they celebrate artistry, softness, and the beauty of thoughtful imperfection. That handmade touch makes the whole space feel more alive. Texture plays a quiet but powerful role in this porch transformation. The mix of smooth ceramics, rough wood, soft fabric, woven baskets, and leafy greenery creates a visual harmony that feels rich without becoming busy. Each material contributes something different, and together they build a layered look that feels warm and inviting. A linen cushion on a bench, a weathered tray on a side table, or a jute mat near the door can subtly enhance the atmosphere. These textures make the porch feel not only beautiful, but also deeply comfortable and naturally elegant. At the heart of this French country porch refresh is the feeling of welcome. Every detail, from the floral arrangements to the vintage accents, is designed to make the porch feel like a gentle invitation into a home filled with charm and care. This is the kind of space where morning coffee feels more peaceful, where a quiet afternoon seems a little sweeter, and where guests immediately sense the warmth of the home before even stepping inside. In the next part, the final touches will continue to build this atmosphere, and the lighting will be saved for the very end to complete the transformation beautifully. A French country porch should never feel like a display that is too precious to use. Instead, it should encourage moments of relaxation and connection. A comfortable seating arrangement helps achieve this balance by combining beauty with practicality. A weathered wooden bench paired with soft cushions, or a pair of vintage-inspired chairs surrounding a small cafe table, can create an inviting retreat. The goal is to establish a place where conversations linger, books are enjoyed, and peaceful mornings begin. By thoughtfully arranging furniture, the porch becomes more than an outdoor area. It transforms into an extension of the home itself, offering comfort wrapped in timeless countryside elegance. Planters play a major role in bringing life and personality to a French country porch. Rather than using identical containers, this style embraces variety and character. A collection of aged terracotta pots, galvanized metal buckets, woven baskets, and ceramic vessels creates an effortlessly collected appearance. Filled with blooming flowers and cascading greenery, these containers help blur the boundary between the porch and the surrounding garden. Decorative accents such as vintage garden tools, small birdhouses, or rustic watering cans further enrich the scene. Together, these elements create a welcoming environment that feels naturally evolved over time, as though every piece has found its perfect place through years of loving care. One of the most wonderful qualities of French country decorating is its ability to adapt beautifully throughout the seasons. Rather than completely redesigning the porch, subtle seasonal changes can refresh the atmosphere while preserving its timeless character. Fresh floral arrangements, seasonal wreaths, decorative baskets, and carefully selected textiles can introduce new colors and textures throughout the year. During spring and summer, soft florals and lush greenery create a vibrant feeling, while autumn may bring muted earth tones and dried botanical displays. These thoughtful updates keep the porch feeling fresh and inspiring without sacrificing the romantic charm that defines the French country aesthetic. The most memorable porches often include decorative touches that reflect the homeowner's personality. French country style celebrates individuality through meaningful objects and carefully curated accessories. Perhaps it is a vintage clock, a collection of ceramic pitchers, a hand-painted sign, or an antique basket passed down through generations. These details create emotional connections that cannot be replicated by mass-produced decor alone. As guests explore the porch, they discover layers of character and storytelling hidden within the design. Every decorative piece contributes to an atmosphere that feels authentic and welcoming, transforming the porch into a place filled with warmth, memories, and personal charm. A successful French country porch creates a seamless relationship between the home and the outdoors. Nature becomes part of the decorating scheme rather than simply serving as a backdrop. Climbing vines, flowering shrubs, fragrant herbs, and lush potted plants soften architectural lines and add movement throughout the space. The changing seasons introduce subtle shifts in color and texture, allowing the porch to evolve naturally over time. This close connection to nature encourages a slower pace of living and a greater appreciation for everyday beauty. Even the simplest moments feel more special when surrounded by fresh blooms, gentle greenery, and the calming presence of the natural world. As daylight begins to fade, lighting becomes the final layer that brings the entire porch to life. In French country design, lighting should feel gentle and atmospheric rather than bright and overpowering. Vintage-style lanterns, elegant wall sconces, candle-inspired fixtures, and delicate string lights can all contribute to a warm and welcoming glow. The soft illumination highlights floral arrangements, textured materials, and vintage accents while creating beautiful shadows that add depth and romance. Lighting transforms the porch into an enchanting evening retreat, making it just as inviting after sunset as it is during the day. It is the finishing touch that completes the overall mood of timeless elegance. As we reach the end of this French country porch refresh, it becomes clear that creating a romantic and welcoming outdoor space is not about following strict rules. It is about blending vintage character, floral beauty, handcrafted details, and natural textures in a way that feels personal and meaningful. Every carefully chosen element contributes to an atmosphere of warmth, grace, and comfort. Here at DECOLOVA, we hope this porch transformation has inspired you to reimagine your own outdoor spaces with creativity and confidence. Whether you incorporate a few simple floral accents or embrace a complete refresh, remember that the most beautiful homes are the ones that tell your unique story through every thoughtful detail.